Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Would it be possible for you to have your video mode on, everyone? No? Let everyone come and then we will start. In the meanwhile, I will be presenting my screen. Do let me know whether you are able to view my screen or not.
Yes, ma'am. Screen is
All
visible.
right, all right. I hope that you all are aware that if I have to take an example, just a sec. If I have to enter any random number, can you tell me which function will I use here? Anyone? किसी को नहीं पता है? To
Ma'am
enter.
equals to rand.
Okay. And yes, very nice, Rahul. So the answer is yes. If I have to enter any random number, in that case, I will be entering function, rand function. However, if I want to enter any number between, let's take an example, between 10 and 25. So in that case, I will be using rand between function tab, and let's say the bottom value is 10 and the upper value is 100. So in that case, I will be using this number, and let's say 68 is fixed here. In order to fix this value, I will just press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make sure that you click on paste values. And now you can just paste it anywhere, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This will not be changed after every click. Second thing is, I hope you all are aware that how to make a list in a cell, because we will be using these things while having this conditional formatting in our table. So to make a list, we will be selecting a cell. Let's take an example. I want to select this list here, and the list is, let's take an example. We have 6 sections in VBA. So section A, let's do one thing. A, B, C, D, E, and F. And to make a list here, I will be clicking here, data validation. And rather than taking any value, we will be selecting list. Source will be this. Or you can type your values here by clicking on, by putting comma after every value and click OK. So now I can select any value from this value. Did you all try? Sabka, I hope this thing is clear to everyone. Aditi, Akshay, आपको तो शायद I have taught. आरमन, तोमर, सब सो रहे हैं.
मैम दोबारा बता दो.
सानिया, okay. I hope किसी को problem है that how to make a list in a cell. Please raise your hands who are having problem while making a list in a cell. Okay, Rahul has problem, Sanya. Okay, all right. Let's take, I'm just repeating it again. Now take an example. I want to make a list in this cell. So in that case, here I have mentioned A, B, C, D, E, F. It is up to you whether you mention it or not. Let's take an example. I want to make a list here. I will click on this cell, go to data and data validation, and click here, data validation. So in settings, it will ask whether what kind of value do you want in that cell. I will be selecting list here, and in list, it is asking for source. Either you can just click here, and you can drag and drop these values here, and if not, you can explicitly write like this: A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E, and F. So I have explicitly given all the values and click OK, and now you can see the list is here. It is up to you. You can click it manually or you can type it like this. Clear to everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's take an example. We will be starting with conditional formatting. I hope you all are aware that why do we make charts and to see trend line. कि अगर हमें if I want to find some pattern, I have thousands of data with me and I want to find out that what kind of pattern is there in my data, or I want to highlight something based on certain criteria. In that case, I will be using a tool which is known as conditional formatting. Let's take an example wherein I'm given some numbers from 10 till 100. It is in ascending order. And now I want to highlight all those numbers which are greater than, let's take an example, 70. So in that case, please make sure that you select this cell. If you are selecting this column, only this column will be highlighted, and if you are selecting your full data, in that case all your rows will be highlighted based on the given criteria. Let's take an example. I'm given that I have to I have to highlight all those numbers which are greater than 70. So I have selected this column. After that, we will be going to home and click on conditional formatting. So these are some rules which we will be using. The first thing is highlight cell rules. My criteria is that the number should be greater than 70. So click on greater than and give your number here, 70. Now it will ask, you can see that 80, 90 and 100 have been highlighted by red color. I don't want this color. Any doubts so far? I can highlight it based on my own choice. I can change the font of this highlight जहाँ जहाँ पे मेरे cells highlight हुए. Let's take an example. I am taking this color, blue color as the font. So rather this 80, 90 and 100 has red font. So now it will have blue font. Whether you want to underline or not, whether you want bold, italic, regular. You can give the border as well from here, and you can fill the values. Fill the value using, let's take an example, yellow color. And pattern color is like कि आपको कौन सा pattern color चाहिए, and pattern style will also be there. So this kind of highlighting cells will be there, clear, and you can see the number is not very visible. I just wanted to show you what kind of features can be used for highlighting any cell. Right now I want to clear this rule. After I know that 80, 90 and 100 are more than 70 and I don't want this rule to be there. So in that case, I have an option of clear rules here. Clear rules from selected cell. This cell is already selected. So if in case I select this clear rule from selected cells, it will be cleared from here. Now my original table will be in front of me. And if I have various rules in my table, I can select this clear rules and clear rules from entire sheet. All those rules will be cleared in only one way, one click only. Did you all try?
मैम if suppose हमें
Yes,
जैसे आपने 3 cells मार्क करे थे, if suppose हमें 3 में से सिर्फ 2 हटाने हैं और एक को मार्क भी रहने देना है, तो वो कैसे होगा?
बेटा यतन, this is based on a criteria. I cannot do it intentionally.
Okay.
You have to change your criteria. Like I will have to change my criteria that I want, take an example, I want only 90 number. So in that case, I will have to give the value like the value should be more than 80 and less than 100.
Okay.
Right? So in that case, 90 will be highlighted there.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, Yatan? Any doubts so far? Please raise your hands if you have any doubt. Now, similarly, we can have other rules. Text rules may we have done greater than. We can also use less than. We can use between when we are using. Let's take an example. I'm taking between, let's say, 30 and 80. So that means it will also include 30 and 80. Between means inclusive. Inclusive means it will take 30 and 80 in the range, and you can select any of the format, red text I'm using, and click OK. So now you can see 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 have been highlighted. I am not clearing this rule so that I can show you that how will I clear all the rules by clicking on this clear rules and from entire sheet. Let's see. Now I am again taking one more rule. If I have to take, let's see, equal to, yeah, text that contains. So for text that contains, I will be selecting this cell, selecting column. After that, I will be clicking highlight cell rules and text that contains. So if I have selected Monday, you can see that by default Monday has been highlighted here. But please make sure that contain means in all these cells, wherever MON is there, the cell will be highlighted. Let's take an example. Rather than taking MON, I am taking only S. Right? So now you can see SAT and SUN, both are selected. And if I'm giving full thing, then all these names which are having MON in it will be selected, highlighted. So now there are two rules, and if I want to clear both the rules at one click only, I will be clicking on conditional formatting, clear rules, and clear rules from entire sheet, and you can see all the rules have been eradicated, have been removed from my table. Clear? Please be on time. आप अभी भी join कर रहे हैं काफी बच्चे. Now coming to date, again we will be selecting this column and conditional formatting and date occurring. Now if I want that the date, I want to see all those dates which are starting from next week. Today is 10th March and I want to see कि next week में कौन सी dates आएंगी. The data is of 2008. I will be changing my data. Next week में कौन सी dates आएंगी. Let's see. Click OK, and now I'm changing some dates. I'm clicking over here and let's see 21. And the date will be, let's say 15. 21. 3. So now 17th, it will be the next. Today is 10th and next week will be starting from this date. So this has been highlighted. 66.4 is not highlighted because it will not lie in the second week, next week, sorry. So we can apply this kind of formatting for date as well. This is here. And similarly, again, I am selecting this number wali cell. Click here. And if I want to highlight duplicate values, you can select duplicate and OK. There are no duplicate values. Now see, I'm changing one cell, 100. So now 100 is occurring 2 times and see, they both are highlighted. No doubt so far? Any doubt? Sabko clear hai? Shall I move forward? Please say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So coming to next part, we have top bottom rules. Okay, again, this will apply for numbers. It will not apply for your text. So here we have some numbers. Let's see this. I'm clearing all the rules first and select rules, clear rules from entire sheet. Okay, so I have selected this column, top bottom rules. Now you can see, if I want to see top 10 items, I already have 10 items in my table. Hardik, any doubt? Unmute yourself only when there is a doubt. Okay, so we have taken this column and after that we will be taking top and bottom values. For top 10 values, obviously I know when there are only 10 values here, so all these values will be highlighted. So you can go for top 3 items and click OK, and top 3 items will be highlighted here. Similarly, the same thing applies for bottom 3 values. Bottom 10 के लिए भी, top 10 के लिए भी, the formula will remain same. Only you just have to click here, and for that list you will be clicking on 3. For top 10%, for top 10% means that I want top 10%. या फिर अगर मैं 20, just increasing the value. Let's say I am taking value as 50%. So now you can see 50% means 50% of the data will be selected here, जो भी आपकी values आएंगी. And for one more thing, above average. Now by clicking on this cell, you can see that average is 56, right? So all those values which are more than 56 will be highlighted when I will click here. I am not taking this red light fill, I am taking green fill, so that you will get to know that all those values have been highlighted more than 56. It will automatically calculate average and will give you the cells. So now you can see 60, 70, 80, 100 and 100. Did you all try the same? Did you all try the same? किसी ने try किया या नहीं किया?
No, ma'am.
राहुल आप करेंगे नहीं? You will not get to know. Because अभी मैं बहुत basic करा रही हूँ. For another 15 minutes it will be basic, but after 15 minutes we will be going to higher level of conditional formatting.
मैम ये वाला नहीं गया, इससे पहले वाला करा था.
Okay, okay. चलिए आप try करते रहिएगा. Next is after top and bottom rules, we have this option of, let me again clear the rules. Now again, for this, we have 3 important things here: data bars, color cells and icon cells. More or less these 3 things are same. The only difference is when we are using data bars, it will act same as in when we are using bar charts. The smallest value will have the smallest bar and the largest value will have the largest bar. So if I am clicking here, we have an option of gradient fill and solid fill. Gradient fill means some will be dark and the other portion will be lighter than that. And solid fill means that the color will remain same from top till bottom. So here you can see. Now you don't have to look at the value. By looking at this, let's take an example, this value. So by looking at this value, I know that this is the highest value. I don't have to look at the value. I will just look at the bar now. So for me, it will become more easy when I have lakhs of rows with me and I want to find out which is the smallest number here by looking at the bar. Visualizing something, pictorial representation of something by not looking at the number, by looking at the bar chart only. Second option is, this is also same, colored scale. So now we have an option of 2 color scale or 3 color scale. 2 color scale and 3 color scale, what will be the difference? It will take 3 colors with it, and based on the range of the numbers, it will assign a color. Let's take an example. The average value is 50. So what it will do, it will take yellow color from 10 to 30, 40 to 60, it will take maybe orange color, and from 70 till 100, it will take some other color. You can see the difference here. I haven't selected the full cell area. So by selecting all these cells, conditional formatting and color scales, it will be assigning 3 colors. You can see green color, after that some yellow color is there, and just as the number is increasing, that color is being changed from green till pink. You can change as per your color preference from here. If you want to have 2 color scale, you can go to more scale, and we have an option of 2 color scale. So minimum and maximum के basis पर it will highlight your values. Okay, and similar is the case with one more thing, that instead of giving color, it will be assigning some icons. जैसे we have traffic lights. So red stands for stop, yellow stands for wait, and green stands for go. So here you can see that 10, 20, 30 are the minimum values. That's why it has taken red for them. For yellow, it is 40 till 70, and green means yes, we are going to increase the value, and that's why that green color is there. Similar is the case here. You can change any, you can take any icon here. For this, we have taken red color, yellow and blue. Or you can take like this. For cross, minimum value के लिए हो गया, tick आपका maximum values के लिए हो जाएगा, and flags as well. It is up to you whichever icon you want to take. All right.
Ma'am, the symbols are assigned automatically, or we should have to do it manually?
Symbols are assigned automatically based on the average calculated by the Excel. However, you can change the icon, just as I told you that when you are going to have 2 color coded schemes, in that case you can give the maximum, minimum, and you can give even if you are choosing 3 color coded scheme. So in that case you can give your medium number. In that case it will assign. Okay, Rahul?
Okay, ma'am.
Try. How many of you are trying? Please raise your hands. Okay, so Harshit is trying, Yatin is trying. Okay, okay. And the strength is very less today. And it is one of those important topics which you will surely use in your future. Okay, okay. So if I have to highlight based on some color scheme, how many ways through which I can highlight those cells? No answer. All clear? I will not continue. Just a minute. Okay. Parth Bansal, you have just joined.
No, ma'am. पहले से
Okay,
join
so
करा
tell
था.
me, if I have to place icons for highlighting the cells, where would I choose icon sets?
मैम मतलब conditional
Just a
formatting
minute,
में
just a minute. Okay, yes, Parth, you were saying.
मैम conditional formatting में वहीं जाके मतलब उसके अंदर icon sets का option होता है.
I'm so sorry. There is a major section over here. Okay, so moving forward, I hope basic things are clear. Now, one more thing which I wanted to tell was, now take one more example wherein I am selecting full data now, right? And coming to conditional formatting, let's say I want to have a new rule. To have a new rule, in that case, I'm using a formula to determine which cells to format. So the formula is, let's take an example. If I'm saying that all the number, let's say that this number, that C7, the cell has been selected and this value should be more than, let's say, 60. I could have done the same thing while using highlighting cells and greater than 60. In that case, I could have done that, but I just wanted to show how this formula is used. And I will be using this. Dollar means you are fixing the cell. Dollar C7 means this cell will be fixed, this column will be fixed, but yes, it has to move from 7 to 8 and so on. So I have not placed dollar before 7. And click format. What kind of formatting do I want? I just want that it should be filled with yellow color. I will fill it with yellow color and click OK and see. So rather than that only cell has been highlighted, all the rows have been highlighted. The only difference is I took the full table rather than selecting only the column or the row. Clear to everyone? किसी को कोई doubt यहाँ तक? Say yes or no.
Clear, ma'am.
All clear? Yeah, all clear.
Ma'am, the function is clear.
Function is clear. Okay, now we will be doing, I'm just sharing this data with you all. Just a minute. Yeah, so internet is very slow here. So I'm pasting the link at your chat box. You can all access that Excel file from your Google Sheet, everyone. Once you are done, please raise your hand who all have accessed the data and have stored in your system. In the meanwhile, I will be taking your attendance. Okay.
सारा गंदा रास्ता है, सारा पीछे पीछे से करा हुआ है ये सारा ऐसे भी क्या है।
Attend to your roll calls, everyone. Abir, Abhishek, Aditi,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Bansal, Akshat Gupta, Akshat,
Present, ma'am.
Akshat Semwal is present.
No.
Okay.
No, Akshat Gupta is present.
All right. Akshata, Aman, Amardeep, Anchit, Aniket, Anjali, Anshika, Anu, Apur.
Ma'am, Anu present.
All right.
Excuse me, ma'am. Akshat Semwal is also present.
Sorry?
His mic is not working. Akshat
Okay,
Semwal.
Okay. Apur, Arvind Tomar,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish, Ayush, Bhavesh, Chirag, Dashmesh, Devanshu.
Present,
Nirishta.
ma'am. Ma'am, Devanshu.
Okay. Dhanishtha, Dishika,
Yes, ma'am, Dishika.
Divakar, Divyam, Isha, Ishta, Garvit, Hardik, Harsh.
Hardik, ma'am, Hardik.
Okay. Harsh, Harshit,
Amardeep Chaudhary. Amardeep.
Amardeep.
9th number.
आपको अटेंडेंस के लिए बच्चे. ओके.
नो मैम, वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था बीच में.
ओके, नो
बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
हर्ष वर्मा, हर्षित, हिमांशु. Harshit is present. Okay. Himanshu, Isha, Ishan Jain, Jay, Jaspreet, Jayesh, Kanishka, Karthik, Kashish.
Kanishka present, ma'am.
Okay. Kashish, Kaushal, Keshav, Khushi, Kirti, Kshitij, Lakshital Reja, Lavanya, Mehak Garg, Manisha.
Ma'am, Lavanya present.
Sharma. Manisha, Mansi Singhal, Manya Arora, Mayank Garg, Mayank Mehta, Mitali.
Mayank Mehta.
Mohit Nagpal, Mukul, Muskan, Navneet, Nishant, Parth, Palak, Parth Bansal. Parth Bansal is present.
Ma'am, Vishal present.
Sorry, Nishant.
जी मैम.
Tanjil, Prashita, Prasuk, Pratik, Pulkit, Rahul, Ridhima, Rishita, Riya.
Rahul Raj present.
Rahul is present. Okay. Rijul, Rohan Malhotra, Roma, Rupali, Sameer, Sanya, Saransh,
Samya.
Sorry?
Samya.
Sanya Dhal. Okay. Tejal, Shashwat, Shaurya, Shivam, Shiven,
Present, ma'am. Shivam Bhardwaj.
Shiven, Shobhit, Shruti, Siddhant Shankar, Soumya Jain, Sparsh Gupta, Srishti, Swati, Tanishk Bugra, Tanu, Tarang, Tushar. Tarang Gupta. Oh, so many students, but attendance is too low today. Tushar, Ujjwal, Utkarsh, Vaishali Mittal, Varchas, Vaishali Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vats, Vishal, Yagyansh, Yash. Sorry, who is present?
Ma'am, Vishal Lauria present.
Acha, Vishal Lauria is also present. Yagyansh, Yash Bisht, Yash Jain, Yash Khurana, Yash Mittal, Yatin Grover. Yatin Grover was present. Yeah. Okay, shall we start now with our current database? I hope you all have downloaded this data, Excel data. Unless and until this class will not be interactive, you will not enjoy.
Vishal Yes, ma'am, Gulati downloaded, also.
I think my attendance is not marked.
I will be pasting the link again. You can copy and paste it in your system. Okay. This is the data.
Ma'am, have you marked my attendance?
Isha Gulati, I will see to it. Let's see. Let me check, bache. Isha Gulati.
Yes, ma'am.
I will see. No, your attendance has not been marked. I have marked your attendance, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
So you all are carrying
Ma'am,
this
is Mansi
data.
Singhal marked present?
Mansi Singhal, बड़ी जल्दी तुम्हें याद आया. I have just closed
Ma'am,
the attendance.
actually my meeting was left because of internet issues.
I will be taking this attendance 2 times, so as to make sure that you all have attended till last. Okay. Mansi Singhal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start. Now, I will be doing one question each time and you will be giving the answer now. This is my data wherein we are given 6 columns. First is sales date. Next is sales representative. Next is item they are selling. What is the unit price of that item? How many units have been sold and what is the total price? I hope you all know that how will we find this total value? It will be unit price into units sold. Now my question is, I have to highlight all those rows rather than only cell which have units sold more than 50. Can anyone tell me how will we perform this question?
With the help of conditional formatting.
That I know, Devanshu. How?
हम conditional formatting पे जाकर
Okay. What will be the first procedure? Process क्या होगा? First
select
step.
the total.
First select
the total row.
Units sold.
Yes. Okay. So I will be choosing this, or I will be selecting full table. My question is this.
Units sold, ma'am.
Only units sold.
My question was, listen to my question once again. My question was, I have to highlight all those rows which have units sold more than 50.
Ma'am, the column
now
select the whole data.
Ma'am, whole data.
We will be selecting whole data or only the column?
Column F.
Column अगर करेंगे चिराग, देखो अगर if we will be selecting this column, मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. We will be selecting this column, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and the value is more than 50, right? Okay. So now you can see the row is not highlighted here. Only the cell has been highlighted, Chirag, and my question was not that. I wanted to highlight full row here. So in that case, rather than selecting only the column, I will be all my data. This is the table. I will be selecting it. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cells greater than, the value was 50. And now you can see, wait, I got the problem here. If cells have been highlighted here, So to change it, I will be clicking on manage rules. When you want to edit something, you have committed something wrong in your formula. In that case, I will be clicking here. Wait a minute. I will be selecting my table, go to conditional formatting and manage rules. So now you can see here that this is occurring. So cell value is this. I would have used the formula rather. Wait a minute. Let me do it like this. I will be selecting full table. And to highlight the value, I will be going to new rule. New rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here, I will be using this. Units sold. So now is equal to $F $3 more than 50. Is it correct, or shall I make some other changes in it? Tell me.
No,
is this formula correct? Sorry?
Ma'am, this is correct.
This is correct? Do you really think? Looking at this formula, I hope you all know what is the difference between relative reference and absolute reference. सबको पता है? What does this dollar means?
Ma'am, we remove the dollar
Yes or
sign.
no? Yes. Dollar means when we are fixing something. So $F means ये तो same रहेगा मेरा. F column will remain same. However, when I got to know that $3, so it has to move from 87, the first value, to the next value. Dollar means it will fix. After 87, it will not move at all. However, I have to move from one cell to another. In that case, I will be removing this dollar cell before 3. Go to format and click. जो भी आपको formatting perform करनी है, click OK, and now you can see all these rows which have value more than 50 have been highlighted. Have you all performed the same? Have you got the answer? किसी बच्चे का if by any reason if you're not getting the answer, please stop me. The motive of this course is that you should be very much clear about conditional formatting after you go from this class, after you leave this class. So please stop me wherever you think you are not able to get what I'm telling.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Okay, let me again clear the rules from entire sheet. What I am going to do here is I will be selecting full table. This is my table. Go to conditional formatting and go to new rule. Right? Now it is asking ki what kind of thing do you want to perform. I want to use a formula to determine that which cells I want to format. Click here, and what is your criteria? Your criteria is that the unit sold. The unit cell ka whatever be the first cell, you will select that. And when you select the cell, by default, it freezes the cell. That means it will freeze the cell. You cannot go column wise, you cannot go row wise. I want to move row wise from 87 to 12 to 15 and so on. However, I don't want to move column wise. मुझे 87 से 33,000 पर नहीं जाना. मुझे 382 पर भी नहीं जाना. In that case, it will be $F $3. So I will remove dollar before 3 because 3, 4, 5, 6 should be there, and the value here should be more than 50. So I have given the formula here. Format. I'm going to format this with yellow color, and OK, and OK. So now you can see all the values. Unit sold key value, if it is more than 50, it will be highlighted. Otherwise, it will not be highlighted. लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. आप लोगों ने इफ स्टेटमेंट की हुई है ना, अगर मेरे पास कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग ऑप्शन नहीं होता तो मैं इफ स्टेटमेंट से इसको किस तरीके से वर्क कराती. इफ कंडीशन या फिर let's take this value, simple. If this value is more than 50, true value आ गई, and आप simple इसको drag करते हैं and you will get to know. यही होता था ना. तो what conditional formatting doing is, you used to, what we did was we used to have this formula, and based on this formula it is finding out whether the value is true or not. Now here Excel is doing everything. I'm giving in Excel a formula and it is highlighting based on the given formula. Same thing is done here also. Based jahan pe you are getting this true value, you can check that the value will be highlighted. True, true, true and true. So this is one of the way through which I can cross check whether the value coming is true or not. ये हम करते नहीं है कभी भी. क्लियर? किसका डाउट था? देवांशु, आपका डाउट था. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now another question is, I want to find out whether the units sold in a particular cell. कि suppose करो I have made this a cell and let's do one. मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. Here I have written enter value and here I will be entering value. So value, let's take an example, is 45. For now, conditional formatting, I have cleared all the rules from the entire sheet. Earlier I was saying that I was providing this value here. मैं formula के time पर ये value provide करती थी. Now I am saying that the value is dependent upon the cell. So how will I do it? Again, I will be selecting this data, go to conditional formatting and new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Same thing is applied here. The only difference is I will be using units sold cell. See, same thing is happening here. More than is same. The only difference is rather than giving 50 here, I have given the address of the cell where I have provided the value, right? So now it is $K $18. Now can anyone tell me whether I have to delete this dollar or will it be okay if the dollar is there? $K $18.
It will be okay.
It is?
And we use dollar.
Yes, we have to use dollar. If we will not use dollar here, $K $18, it will go to further cell and I don't want that. I want to freeze this 45 wala cell. Format and use green color and now you can see the difference. See. Now the purpose of doing this is now it is cell dependent. If I change the value now, let's say 80 value, I have changed. Now you can see it will be based on runtime. Dynamically change ho raha hai. If I change the value from 80 to 23, you can see the change in the cells. Otherwise, I would have gone to conditional formatting. For every change I had to perform, I had to open conditional formatting now. So the better option is you just click on any cell, give the option there, and you will be able to get the answer here. Now my question is, rather than getting us, I'm saying let's have an option wherein you will be given value from 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So out of these 5 values, user has to choose. यहाँ पे एक list आ जाए, 10 to 50 में you will take value and accordingly you will get the answer. Please do this question. Whosoever will do this, please let me know. समझ में आ गया सबको question? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए करिए इस क्वेश्चन को. Dishika, Rahul, I'm expecting an answer from your side, everyone. Please try.
Okay, ma'am.
The assignment will be very tough today. Trust me. Unless and until you will not follow all the process which I am teaching you, you won't be able to do the assignment after that. So please be very careful. To make a list here, I will be using data. In fact, मैं यहीं पे बनवाती हूँ आपके. Data validation, and here I can make a list. Source is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Right? And click OK. Now you can see a list is there. I'm clicking 30 and I'm getting the answer. I don't have to type anything, and believe me, since I'm very lazy when it comes to typing, I prefer these kind of things when I'm using conditional formatting. So you can see the values are being changed. I don't have to type anything. I'm just clicking. In this way, you are increasing the readability for the user. सबने try किया. You all, I hope you all have made the list. किसी की list नहीं बनी हो.
First question में मैम एक doubt था मैम मेरा.
हाँ जी राहुल.
मैम मैं जब न्यू रूल में सब डाल के कर रहा था तो पूरा जो एंटायर टेबल है वो ही एक कलर में आ रहा था. मतलब जो प्रॉपर जो रो है वो नहीं हो रहा था. पूरा टेबल ही रेड कलर का आ रहा था.
राहुल, please share your screen. I really want to see कि problem कहाँ पर आ रही है. Will you be able to share your screen?
Okay मैम. मैम आपको स्क्रीन बंद करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, it's not like this. You can still share your screen. चलिए, anyways, I have stopped sharing my screen.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible now. Okay.
It's showing like this.
Okay, just select your table and go to conditional formatting and manage rules. Manage rules पे जाइए. Manage rules पे जाइए बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
And double click here.
Ma'am, here.
Yes, yes. Okay. So what have you done, Rahul? आप मुझे बताइए आपने क्या
Ma'am,
done?
equals to and selected the unit sold cell and more.
But you have used $E, $2. That means $E, $2 means 87.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? I want to move it further from 87 to 12. So it will be $E, 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Dollar हट जाएगा 2 से पहले.
Okay, ma'am.
करिए and OK press करिए. Okay. Now you can see the difference.
मैम फिर भी जो सबसे पहला वाला रो सेलेक्ट कर रहा है ये पहले वाला मतलब यहाँ से सेलेक्ट होना चाहिए.
Because आपने बच्चे by default उसको select कर लिया है. वो select करना ही
select नहीं करना था. Okay.
You have to make sure that when you are doing this, you are using your answering वाला table. You will not use headers.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. तो फिर अगर हम वो करेंगे तो पहला वाला जो ये है सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा.
Yes, yes. वो by default फिर हो ही जाता है.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ठीक है. Any doubt so far? किसी को कोई डाउट? सबका अच्छे से हो गया और लिस्ट वाला क्वेश्चन सबका हुआ?
नो मैम, दोबारा दिखा दो.
दिशिका, ध्यान से नहीं सुना बिल्कुल.
मैम क्वेश्चंस आपने जो लिंक दिया था उसमें है नहीं वैसे.
क्वेश्चंस मैं साइड में पेस्ट कर देती हूँ. इट वोंट टेक मच टाइम. आप ट्राई करना स्टार्ट करिए क्वेश्चंस को. Questions have been pasted. Dishika, मैं दोबारा से समझा देती हूँ बच्चे. देखो, if to make a list, I will select the cell, go to data tab and data validation. Right? After that, click on data validation.
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है अभी।
Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Am I able to share now?
Yes.
Okay. So let me show it again. I will select a cell wherein I want to make a list, right? So I have selected this cell, go to data tab, and after that go to data validation. In data validation, click here, data validation, and an input message will be there. A prompt will be there. So in settings, it will ask what kind of value do you want? So you will click here list. In source, so जो आपको list के items चाहिए, in that case you will be mentioning all those numbers here. So I want 10, comma, I want 20, and so on. तो आपको जहां तक mention करने, you will be using all those numbers and click OK. So now you can see, you can select any number here. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे किया हुआ है.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Any more doubt? Shall I proceed further? Okay. Now, I hope you all are aware कि if I have to find out that whether the number is even or odd, या row function क्या करता है? Anyone who is aware, let's take an example. I'm using one formula is equal to row, bracket start and close, and enter. What it has given me 16. What does that signify? कोई बता सकता है? Can anyone tell me? It is giving me row number 16 is equal to row, bracket and bracket close. So it will give me the row number. Now the question is, I want to highlight alternate rows. So I'm giving you a formula and you will use conditional formatting on your own now. Is equal to row, bracket start, close. And if I am using mod function, do you know mod function? What is the result of mod function? Why do we use mod function? You have already attended 6 classes of Excel. So I'm expecting that you would be aware of some basic functions which are being used in Excel. What is the output of mod function? No? Please don't tell me. Achha, why do we use OR operator? AND operator क्यों use करते हैं?
मैम और तब यूज करते हैं जब मैम दो में से एक वैल्यू सेलेक्ट करना हो.
Very good, Rahul. And हम क्यों use करते हैं?
जब दोनों यूज करनी होती है.
क्राइटेरिया में
बिल्कुल. Very nice. Yes. So OR means either of them and means all of them, right? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
अभी हम third question नहीं करते फिर. ठीक है?
हम मॉड का तो वो होता है ना रिमाइंडर देने का.
Yes.
Okay, reminder.
Right. Very good. If I'm dividing 4 by
वो नंबर और डिवाइजर देख के याद आ गया.
yes. So answer आ गया 1. So it will always give me remainder. So now let's check. अब मुझे alternate rows करनी है. So I will be using mod operator. I will be finding row. Suppose row is 17th number. So 17, 1. What will be the answer? 0. If the number is 18, तो it will be 1. समझ में आ रहा है? छोड़ दो अभी इस क्वेश्चन को, छोड़ दो थर्ड क्वेश्चन को. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन करो. हाईलाइट आइटम इज इक्वल टू एसी और वॉशिंग मशीन और टेलीविजन. तो आइटम कहाँ पर है? वॉशिंग मशीन, रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड सो ऑन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल बी क्लियरिंग माई डेटा, all the rules. So I will go to clear rules from entire sheet. Now to get this question, highlight item is equal to AC, washing machine or television. So I am taking this. I'm not selecting all the rows. It is up to you whether you want to select all the rows or not. I have selected only column. Go to conditional formatting, and new rule. So I have to select item is equal to or wala option hai. Okay, so use a formula is equal to or function bracket start. I will select the first cell, remove the dollar before 3. The value is washing machine. It is not case sensitive, so it is up to you whether you want to give it in capital form or lower letter form. After that, again it will be selected and it is 3. Next value is television, and again I will be selecting $3 is equal to, next is, let's take an example, it is AC. Close. So out of these 3 values, if any of the value is there, in that case that value will be highlighted using, let's say, green color. Okay, and press OK. So now you can see that in this column all these 3 values are selected. Can I have and in it? Can I say that all the rows will be highlighted wherein it has AC and washing machine and television? Can I do something like this?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat that earlier function or wala abhi fir se ek bari?
Sure. I will go to manage rules to show you what I have done here. You can see. And if it is still not clear, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Ho gaya clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, my question was, can I have something like this, that the item should be washing machine and television and AC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. How?
No, ma'am.
Is there any row wherein all these 3 items are occurring? Either of them are occurring. In this, I can say that I can highlight a row
हम कर
wherein
तो सकते हैं मैम, डाटा में गिवन नहीं है, ये जरूरी थोड़ी ना, आपने तो पूछा था कि कर सकते नहीं कर सकते, हम तो कर सकते हैं
नहीं
ऐसे।
कर सकते आप
मैम अगर किसी इसमें सपोज करो मैम एक एक आइटम गिवन है, अगर इसमें हर एक कॉलम हर एक सेल के अंदर 3 आइटम्स गिवन हो और वो रोटेट कर रही हो, तब तो हम दे सकते हैं ना।
अच्छा ठीक है, कर लो, ठीक है, लेकिन आई हैव नॉट, आइटम इज ओनली 1 हियर। अगर वहां पे आइटम्स 3 होते तो यस वी वुड हैव डन दैट। यस गुड, ठीक है। हाईलाइट आइटम्स बेस्ड ऑन लिस्ट। अब आप ये खुद करिए कि लिस्ट में यू विल बी मेकिंग वॉशिंग मशीन, टेलीविजन, एसी, रेफ्रिजरेटर, माइक्रोवेव एंड गीजर। So now if I'm selecting geyser from here, all the geyser items will be highlighted. If I want to highlight only refrigerator items, then that will be highlighted. Please do it on your own, everyone. जिसका सबसे पहले होगा, please let me know. I will be giving more marks to that person.
मैम क्या करना है, एक बार दोबारा रिपीट कर दोगे आप?
Question is, अभी I said कि it could be either AC, washing machine or television. Now I am saying कि in this cell, let's take an example. I have made a list wherein AC, washing machine, television, refrigerator, geyser, everything is there. The moment I select geyser, so geyser items will be highlighted. If I select geyser from, if I select washing machine from here, then washing machine items will be reflected here.
हम वो तो पहले जैसे आपने नंबर वाला करा था उसी तरीके से हो जाएगा ना।
बिल्कुल,
नंबर की जगह बस वो लिखना है।
हाँ, कॉमा, जैसे वॉशिंग मशीन कॉमा टेलीविजन कॉमा एंड सो ऑन, ठीक है। विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट? सब बच्चे कर पाएंगे?
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
चलो गुड। नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाईलाइट वॉशिंग मशीन विद ब्लू एंड एसी विद रेड फिल। कर पाओगे इस क्वेश्चन को? Will it be done using only one formula, or I will have to use 2 formulas for the same?
मैम इसमें मैनेज पे जाके होगा मेरे ख्याल से।
Let me show you. Let me clear the rule first. Okay. So highlight washing machine with blue color. So let's do one thing.
इसमें and use होगा मेरे ख्याल से.
No, why to use and? जो मेरी formatting है वो मेरी criteria dependent है. So I will have to use two formulas here. First thing is I will be using is equal to अपने आप ही आ जाता वैसे. This is my item and $3 is equal to, if it is equal to washing machine, then I have to use, let's take an example, yellow fill. Okay. And similarly, again, I will be going to this, use a formula, and if it is, let's say, is equal to, again, I will select the first cell, $D3 is equal to, let's take, I'm taking TV. Let's fill it with.
मैम full form आएगी. मैम television आएगा TV की जगह.
अच्छा, television, very good. चलो, you are paying attention. I'm highly obliged. Television and click OK. So now you can see I have to build up two formulas for the same. One for washing machine and the next for television. Clear?
मैम ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है कि हम सबका अलग-अलग इंडिविजुअल कलर दे सकें?
No, you cannot give. Individual colors देने हैं सबको अलग-अलग.
Yes मैम.
No, you cannot do that. क्यों देने हैं कलर सबको अलग-अलग? कलरफुल बनाना है अपना डेटा.
मैम वो तो इसी फॉर्मूले को बार-बार रिपीट करते रहेंगे.
हाँ, यही आपको रिपीट करना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली अलग-अलग कलर्स के लिए. ठीक है? I hope it is clear. Next question is, अब आप ये खुद करिए. Highlight cells where representative with Sameer और SAMIR है क्योंकि डेटा में SAMEER भी है. So please make sure that you give the correct name. And total is more than average. So wherever total is more than average, then this should be highlighted. Two criterias are there. यहाँ पे and condition लगेगी. Do it and let me know whether you are able to get the answer or not.
अब मैम दो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में मैम जो हम देंगे जो फॉर्मूला देंगे उसमें मैम क्या चीज हमें लिखना है वैसे?
फोर्थ क्वेश्चन.
यस मैम.
ये दिस आइटम इज इक्वल टू AC और वॉशिंग मशीन और टेलीविजन.
यस मैम करा था मैंने बट आया नहीं था इसलिए पूछ रहा हूं.
Would you please share your screen? I will tell you the error where you have made it. राहुल शेयर करिए बच्चे स्क्रीन.
मैम एक्सेल बंद कर दिया था फिर से मैंने खोला भी तो अभी हट गया वो.
एक्सेल बंद ही कर दिया?
हाँ मैम बंद कर दिया था. अभी स्टार्टिंग का लिख रखा है मैंने.
अभी वो क्वेश्चन दिखाना जो आपने दिया है. एक मिनट.
Question is there in your Google sheet as well. मैं फिर से दिखा देती हूँ. You can see राहुल मैं आपको फिर से करके दिखाना पड़ेगा मुझे. Let me show you. I selected that data for fourth question. Go to conditional formatting and new rule. I use this and for let's see item I have to select. सबसे पहले you will be using or condition. Bracket start. Select the first cell without any dollar, that is $3 should be equal to washing machine. Next again $B3. It could take value as maybe AC and or it could be
ओके मैम,
टेक
क्लियर।
वैल्यू लाइक दिस, ठीक है, ईजर कर देती हूँ। ना फॉर्मेट नहीं किया मैंने, वेट। So you can see here.
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, अब तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन दिया है मैंने। आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट।
मैम हो गया।
हो गया? किसका हुआ? Let me see. Who has done the question?
मैम दिवांशु।
No one? Divanshu, you have done?
यस मैम।
Divanshu, please paste the answer in the chat box so that everyone can see now. The formula which you have used.
मैम एक्चुअली मेरी क्लास फ़ोन पे चल रही है और लैपटॉप पे कर रहा है।
Okay, I will show you. जिनका नहीं हुआ, for them, I will be selecting all the rows. Let's say conditional formatting, new rule, and my question was that representative should be Sami. So I will be using and function. I will select this data. P3 is equal to Samir, comma, and what was the other criteria? The other criteria is the total should be, so total value select karenge. You have two options. Here is more than average function you will use and bracket start. You
मैम
will
डॉलर
select.
साइन रिमूव करेंगे मैम, टोटल में से डॉलर साइन रिमूव नहीं करा आपने।
Wait. Yeah.
यस मैम।
Thank you so much. And that's it. And format using, let's see, green color and OK. So you can see the formula again. I have calculated average here and click OK. कोई भी नहीं है. Any of the data is selected or not?
No मैम, मेरे में भी कोई कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Wait, let me check. Average is coming out to be 46,075 and 46. नहीं, आंसर शुड हैव बीन देयर क्योंकि समीर
मैम
यहाँ
आपने
पे।
इक्वल टू का साइन नहीं लगाया था।
लेट मी चेक। There is a double quote before and, so this is the problem here, and double quotes are here as well. This is again a problem. There was a problem with syntax, that's it. Clear to everyone? So now it has been highlighted. किसका नहीं हुआ था? किसी की प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी ना? अब सबका हो गया? Are you all able to did this part? Okay, so we have another question. Highlight cells with representative and total more than selection, more than equal to selection. सिलेक्शन इन द सेंस इज कि टोटल आप यहाँ पर मेंशन करेंगे इन अ लिस्ट, एंड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिस्ट में मेंशन करती हूँ, सो विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट? बोथ आर इन लिस्ट एंड मैं लिस्ट के बेसिस पर आई एम फाइंडिंग द आंसर। क्लियर हो जाएगा? होगा या नहीं होगा?
मैम टोटल को लिस्ट में कैसे करेंगे, बहुत टाइम नहीं लग जाएगा?
तो लिस्ट बना कभी भी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता। यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट। वॉशिंग मशीन, टेलीविजन, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव में भी ज्यादा नहीं है, राहुल, समीर, मयंक। ओके, यू कैन टेक सिलेक्शन के लिए यू कैन टेक 3 वैल्यूज, 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000, right? And you can select accordingly. Will you be able to do this now?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, ओके, आप लोगों को टेक्स्ट फंक्शंस करा दिए हैं? Tell me whether you are aware कि no, you are not aware कि text function कैसे, तो that means you are not aware कि if I have to find out whether AH is there in Rahul or not, you won't be able to do it. Okay, last question for you. You have to find out, you have to highlight all the rows in such a manner that the unit price is given and the second largest unit price से ज़्यादा जो भी value है, it should be highlighted. Will you be able to do this question?
मैम एक बार टाइप करके
Second largest unit. बिल्कुल ही लेजी बच्चे हो तुम लोग ना। करिए इस क्वेश्चन को। This is the last question. After that, I will be winding up the class. To find the second largest value, is there any function that we can use? Tell me. To find the second largest value, do we have a function for the same?
Ma'am, large.
Yes, large function. Yes, you will be using the same. You just have to apply only one formula here, and that will be large. Take array of unit price, comma, 2. This is how you will do. I've given you a hint. विशाल लौरिया, आपसे हुआ बच्चे?
यस मैम, मैं कर रहा हूँ।
ओके, डू इट गुड। इतना टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं है जो इतना टाइम लग रहा है बच्चे आपको. It will not work with currency. It will only work with your numerical form, right? So please make sure that you are using unit sold instead of unit price. किसी का हुआ ये question? Let me know. Mansi Singhal, Isha Gulati, Vishali Garg. Are you all sleeping or what?
Ma'am, the large function is equal to large.
Let me show you the formula. मैं एक बार आपको formula दिखा देती हूँ. This is the okay. This is the formula. You can see. Please make sure that you apply this formula for units sold. It will not work for unit price. I will check it and I will let you know by Saturday because we have next class on Saturday. Yeah. Got it? Any doubts?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts so far? I will be sharing your assignment and that will not be.
मैम इसमें आपने FQ सिलेक्ट करा, हम तो पूरा डाटा भी सिलेक्ट करेंगे ना?
पूरा डेटा किया है ना, पूरा डेटा मैंने रो के लिए किया. All the rows will be selected and for large I have selected all the units वाला डेटा. चिराग.
मैम आपने F कॉलम सिलेक्ट करा.
I will show you. I will show you. See what I have done here. I selected all my data and after that I have applied the selection on F3. This is unit sold पे किया है and now you can see again. This is for full data because मैं हाँ जी.
Each cell के अंदर नहीं करना था कि मतलब अगर unit price suppose
unit price पे it will not work because it is a currency. चिराग मैंने आपको बोला ना ये number format पे ही work करेगा.
ओके तो यूनिट सेल का सेकंड हाईएस्ट लेंगे मैम.
हाँ यूनिट सोल्ड पे लो इसको. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
एनी डाउट? Okay, you all can leave. If in case you have doubt, please you can stay. Otherwise you can leave.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Okay, take care everyone.